Hi guys, welcome to the Playing on Chess. So, welcome back. So, I have a new Playing on Chess in the morning house. You got top one here, that's a Tyrion 21. This is good. The speaker. This is the speaker here. See, this is the speaker too. Got one wing room. I don't check it here, me upstairs. We have check here. One in the wing room. One in the bedroom. May have no bathroom. We have four. We get count 1, 2. We have three players here. Wait, say 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's count 6 21s. 6 21s. The 2 ones will not be loud. Even the 2 ones. Ow. Even the 2 ones will be loud in the middle. Here. This one in the kitchen, and this one will be a middle room. Like that. How no Alvin, the kids without lunch. Let's see that how Alvin now. They are Alvin. Let's see how somebody. How no Alvin. We have a put down mugway for their sake. Like that. Okay, so right here. You see. This is a phone over here, and then up here will be one in the bedroom and one for the workroom. Not that. Okay, we're going to test that. That's the V. Okay, I'll go upstairs first. Okay, wait for the run test. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 1. And 1. And 1. Ah! Oh, look at this. 3, 2, 1. Go, go. Go. Push down. Pull down. Oh, there you go. Cozy, turn the fires down. That sounds great.
May I have your attention? May I have your attention? The signal you have just heard indicates a report of a fire in
Put
this
this
building.
board too.
Please proceed to the nearest exit. Leave do not enter the building unless directed to do so. May I have your attention? May I have your attention?
Okay.
The signal
Favorite.
you just heard indicates a report of a fire in this building. Please proceed to the nearest exit. May I have your attention? May I have your attention, please? The signal you have just heard indicates a report of a fire in this building. Please proceed to the nearest exit. Do not re-enter the building unless directed to do so by the authorities.
Oh, whiskey. Where is it? Oh. Where's the whiskey? Where's the whiskey? Oh, there you go. There you go. Shoot, this is over. Okay. Okay. This is a small morning house with no bathroom. So weird. What a pee at? To the Vegas, I mean? Don't know. Probably looking outside. The mirrors must see him. Oh my, just kidding. What had no bathroom there? We would pee ourselves. Cause I don't want no bathroom with the. I don't want no bathroom in the small house. Where's my house? So, where is my flat? There. No, that's my internet, not pay on that. Oh no, just where the hell with it. There's more people here. Never mind. No one will do that. Okay, so let's just do the drill. Oh, 3 seconds. There you go. Wait a second. Where's the keep it salad? Oh no, it's salad. Is that a bathroom on? No, I don't know. Let's do this again. Oh, cause the salad just messed up on it. Come on, look. But it's not working. Let's keep it. Okay. Let's get out the building. Let's get out. This is my house. Get that ton. Let me put the. Oh. Oh. Wait a minute. Oh, that was 7 phone ones. One phone one don't work. Oh, it's 7 phone ones. 7 ones out here. It's 7. 7 ones. 7 phone ones. So weird now. So weird. It is bleed. Bleed. Okay. So next to watching, you will watch Netflix, YouTube. I know that on YouTube, Netflix. I stream on YouTube and Netflix watch. Thanks for watching. Guys, so I know I'm stand the table. Do not stand the table because I do look a break. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.